Hello and welcome. In this module we'll be covering the initial setup of your G100. So with no further ado, let's jump right in. Congratulations on the receipt of your new G100. Please take a second and make sure that you read through all the information in the instruction manual and be sure to follow any safety procedures included. We want you to get off to a great start with your new device. After unpacking the G100 box, your first step should be to inspect it for visible damage that could have occurred during shipping or unpacking. If damage is observed, usually in the form of bent component leads or loose socketed components, contact GE Technical Support for additional instructions. Depending on the severity of the damage, it may be necessary to return the product to the factory for repair. Your kit will include the G100 substation gateway, wall panel mount kit, DIN rail, and hardware kit, and some connectors. The G100 device can be installed as either wall, panel, or DIN rail mount. Here's a brief overview on the installation steps and what's included in your hardware kit. You can refer to 994-0155 Multilin G100 Substation Gateway Instruction Manual for more details on the full installation procedure. The G100 can be installed in pollution degree 2, non-hazardous and restricted access locations, environments where the ambient temperature does not exceed the rating of the product and airflow is not restricted. Now let's take a look at the G100 Top Panel. The G100 is equipped with an internal general purpose input-output interface GPIO indicated by numbers 7 and 8 in the image. The G100 can communicate with D20 peripheral modules. To communicate with D20 peripheral I/O modules, the G100 requires the installation and configuration of the optional D.20 HDLC PCIe card indicated by the number 9 in the image. Please refer to 994-0155 Multilin G100 Substation Gateway Instruction Manual for more details. Now let's take a look at the G100 bottom and front panel views. Number 11 on the G100 bottom panel is for the GPIO DI connections. The LEDs marked as 15, 16, and 17 on the front panel are the GPIO DI channel /DO channel AI sampling indicators at runtime. Number 19, each serial port has LED activity, TX and RX indicators on the front panel. TX activity shows green, while RX activity will show red. Number 18, each SFP port has LED indicators on the front panel as well, which show green for activity and orange for link. Number 21 is the power on LED indicating a successful power up. G100 redundancy requires two identical model and configuration G100 units and 0, 1, or 2 RS-232 switch panels when connecting to RS-232 devices. RS-232 switch panels are not required when connecting to RS-485 devices. A redundant G100 setup allows a secondary G100 to automatically take over operations from a paired G100 unit that has failed. As you can see, there are different components needed to implement G100 redundancy. Please refer to the G100 Substation Gateway Instruction Manual for more details on redundancy wiring and configuration. Here are some key documents available to assist you, and please refer to our technical support library to access further documentation and support materials. The link takes you to the technical support page where you can select the G100 Substation Gateway, RTU, and Controller folder. You can select the desired firmware version folder to see the list of available documents and support resources available. Release notes outline key features, capabilities, and known issues with the MCP at the time of release of the G100 version. Once the unit is powered up, several interface options are available for connecting to the device. This includes local KVM and maintenance Ethernet port and a serial maintenance port. Please refer to the next video on G100 Access to get more information on the connection and interface options available. I want to thank you for taking the time to view this training module video. Our contact information is up next for your reference, and good luck with your studies.